Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
हाय गाइस, नमस्कार। मैं हूं आरजे उर्मिन आपके साथ। और आज के गाने को मद्देनजर रखते हुए मैंने मेरा ये जो वेट लुक है वो सेट किया है, बिकॉज गाने का नाम है बरसात। एंड आई हैव टू अमेजिंग जेंटलमैन विद मी। सबसे पहले तो डब्बू मलिक जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मुझे लगता है आपको वीडियो सच्ची में बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I loved it, absolutely loved it. And Arman, hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great as well. पहले तो मैं बता दूं कि ये जो मैजिक है of Kunal Verma, I just want to start with that because this song touched my heart due to the lyrics. It was just so beautiful. जो पहली लाइन है, पहली लाइन से लेकर जो हुक है, I mean, it felt like किसी ने जो एक्सप्रेशंस चल रहे थे किसी के लाइव मन में, उसे लिख दिया और उसका एक गाना बना दिया। तो अरमान, लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ यू। कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस? दिस इज सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रैक।
I think firstly, just to start off, saying that Barsat is a very special collaboration with Dad, Amal and Kunal. The three of us, actually, me, Dad and Amal, have never come on a track before, and especially like this.
Yeah.
Papa has directed the video, Amal has composed the song, and then Kunal has written the lyrics. All three of us coming together on a song is very, very special for me, special for all our fans. And it's come out on our own label, MWM, which Dad has created. Dad has put out his own singles with Sunidhi Chauhan, Palak Muchal, lot of other artists. तो एक दिन मुझे ज़हन में आया कि यार कुछ करते हैं, let's do a song together. So me and Dad were discussing कि this is a nice idea. Let's just play it for Amal, and Amal loved it. Then obviously he took over and changed a lot of the whole idea that we had, and he made a completely different idea. And here we have Barsat, and Kunal Verma has just added such elements to the lyrics. Like you said, बहुत ही रियल बना दिया उसको, उस गाने को, जो एक it seems like you're narrating someone's real life story. And right from the first line, होके जुदा खुश हो अगर कह दो तो हंस के होके जुदा खुश हो अगर हंस के जुदा हो रहा, क्या था लाइन? Shit, I'm doing so many interviews, I've lost my mind.
Just say the first line.
If I sing, I won't get it. Wait, let me sing. होके जुदा खुश हो अगर हंस के बिछड़ जाऊंगा। अभी मिला, गा के मिला।
क्या लाइन है यार, सच में। What a track, what a beautiful track.
हम इस मेलोडी के साथ काफी देर तक रहे हैं हम लोग सब, एंड फ्रैंकली सेइंग हम बहुत ड्राफ्ट्स लिखे, बहुत सारी कोशिशें की, लेकिन वी वर नॉट रीचिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ अ कंक्लूजन एज फार एज द लिरिक्स आर कंसर्न्ड, एंड वी आर एक्चुअली सेइंग कि चलो बाद में देखते हैं. And we
Kunal happened to just come one day, and we were just singing the song to him, and I think in an hour or 2 hours he wrapped up the song.
And we were saying कि ऐसे हमने 2-3 गाने हम लोग सोच रहे हैं and all that. And Kunal just reacted immediately to this song, and the line that he wrote, and he shouted कि Dabbu uncle, he called me at about 12:31 in the night कि कुछ कमाल हो गया ना, मैंने गाना नहीं लिखा है लेकिन एक ये लाइन लिखी, आप सुन लो. तो बरसात वाली लाइन के लोग समझ रहे हैं कि बारिश है, और
लोग समझ रहे हैं कि आंसू हैं और बारिश हो रही है,
और बरसात है, मतलब तो we all reacted. I said now, so he said कि अब तो मैं हंगामा कर दूंगा ना. He very passionate, he is very passionate, और जैसा सबको फील हो रहा है, everywhere in all the comments, everything, there's one common factor कि everybody is saying कि डूब कर लिरिक्स राइटर ने इस गाने को,
agreed,
इस ट्यून को justify.
But you're also making every frame look so beautiful, Dabbu sir. मतलब that was so well put together also, कि गाना कमाल का ही है, लेकिन उसे enhance करने के लिए आपने जिस अंदाज में उसका एक शूट किया है, जो आपने कॉन्सेप्ट रखा है, like that there's a picture and there's water flowing through it. बहुत बारीकियों पे आपने काम किया है.
I tell you, I have had a very deep impact of Titanic as a film of James Cameron. It had a very big emotional impact, and I carried that emotional thing on my head for like almost 20-25 years from the time that film had released.
Right.
That the melody and that song always played on my mind. तो मेरे गाने में टाइटैनिक तो नहीं, पेपर बोट है, लेकिन उसका जो इमोशन है और वो जो जब फोटोग्राफ रिवलेट में जा रही है एंड द एक्सप्रेशंस व्हिच एंड एक्चुअली आई हैव लिव्ड माय एंटायर लाइफ थ्रू द सॉन्ग व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग अरमान and I was behind the camera and I was going mad and shouting, ranting, ye karte wo karte. And every time I used to look at Arman, you'll not believe, I felt, time, it was like my dream come true, that I am standing there and God has given an opportunity कि मेरी ही परछाई ना वहाँ पे खड़ी है and is doing what I imagine के ऐसा मुझे करना था. मैंने बहुत किए, मैंने भी इस तरह की things बहुत सोची हैं when I was doing it. So it was like reliving everything and every emotion. तो जो इमोशन आप कैरी कर रहे हो, जो इमोशन से आप कनेक्ट हो रहे हो, वो है इसलिए वो कनेक्ट हो रहा है. Every frame, every picture, every expression of Arman, even the way the arrangement is done of the music, and then everything is gone into its compilation. और हम लोग ने इसको जितना प्योर हार्ट रखा है, because we're not trying to prove anything. If you see ना कि भाई हमने cinematic excellence कर लिया या लाखों करोड़ों खर्च दिए, नहीं, what we have done is focused on the core emotion. And जब वो चीज कनेक्ट होती है तो nothing bigger than that.
But I want to just add to this that I have known Amal and Arman for years and years together, and not once has it been कि एक interview में उन्होंने आपका जिक्र ना किया हो. So let me just go ahead and say this कि they are totally fulfilling your dream as well while they are making it big. Arman, I am sure you'll agree to this.
I don't think, I think I've started, focusing on my dream now. Up until now, there was a lot of stuff that both Amal and I did because we wanted to see that gleam in Dad's eyes and just see him happy, because there were a lot of elements we saw while we were growing up that this industry is not as rosy as people see it on Instagram. That there are a lot of layers to it. And Dad has seen quite a different side of the industry, which we kind of saw as children. And when Amal and I grew up, we wanted to just, see our family really victorious. And we wanted to see Dad really proud and really happy of all the achievements that we, as four, I include Mom as well, because she is the main head of the corporation. Without her, I don't think any one of us would function. I think the four of us as a unit, we have worked in the last few years to make sure that our family gets all the stuff that was destined for us, but it didn't happen at that time. So I'm glad that Amal and I worked towards that dream of Dad and Mom. And now I think both the brothers are now set out in their own different journey. Amal's doing his own thing with pop singles. I'm doing my English pop stuff. I remember until I did English pop, I told Dad, like, before Control released. So we sat down together and he was like, I told Dad, I held his hand. I was like, finally, I'm doing something that I would really, really wanted to do for a very long time, because it was Dad who convinced me to sing for Bollywood, convinced me to do stuff, in India before I did anything internationally. And the reason that we're talking to you and I am who I am today is because of that decision that he took so many years back. So in a way, I was living Dad's dream. Amal was living Dad's dream. But now I think all of us are now living our own dreams. Dad is got so much creativity inside of him. I'm seeing different layers of it every day, in the form of direction, in the form of composition, in the form of just conceptualization. There are so many stories that he narrates to me every day. And then we think we should make this into a film, into a short film or a music video. So there's so much creativity in the house. I think all of us are now that we have achieved a lot of stuff that we wanted to achieve, now I think it's more about personal fulfillment of each of us. What Dad wants to fulfill for himself, what I want to do for myself, what Amal wants to do. And we're doing our own thing and yet aligning and doing projects together, which is beautiful. Barsat is one of the first of those.
Yeah, lovely.
As a musical unit, we basically are just protecting each other. So because the most essential part we have concluded in our lives is कि जो भी footprint छोड़े हैं, जो भी काम करें, और क्या रखा है लाइफ में. अगर कोई चीज यादगार नहीं है और कोई चीज दिल को छूने वाली नहीं है, तो इसके अलावा क्यों है हम यहाँ और क्या करने के लिए. हमारा यही है ना. आप यही चीज को ही अगर हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके दिन भर खाली रीमिक्सेस करते रहेंगे, दूसरों के गानों को चोरी करते रहेंगे, गानों को चोरी करते रहेंगे और अपने आप को सिर्फ एक कमर्शियल मशीन बना के रहेंगे, तो वो शायद ऐसा गोल नहीं है. तो अपनी जरूरतों को और अपनी चीजों को अगर हम कम कर सकें और क्रिएटिवली हम लोग सब लोग मिलके कुछ ऐसा लैंडमार्क म्यूजिक छोड़ के जाएं जो हमें लगे कि हमने अच्छा काम किया, एंड वी लुक बैक इन ऑन द सैंड्स ऑफ टाइम एंड से कि भैया वी डिड इट, बिकॉज दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट वी शुड हैव. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ राइट बैलेंस, always a right balance between having good economic
commercial aspect of things.
Commercial aspect, but never to compromise, never to just throw away your talent or your creativity just like that. So ये हमारा intention, and that is the reason why MWM, which me and Amal as a team of composers, we have come, so that anything which is worth and people are not getting, anybody from anywhere of the country or anywhere in the world wants to put out anything, we have got enough little bit clout which we have got, we will support. We are open to supporting any artist.
Amazing. So सुने गाने को सुने. Arman, you want to sing a few lines of this track? But how is it that in this, I actually thought that Amal is going to compose, Arman is going to feature, and Dabu sir is going to sing the song.
That is Tum Yu Hi Kabhi.
No, I was saying that for this track, I thought that would
mouthing this thing.
See, that's a great idea. ये अगला video हो सकता है.
Good idea.
Okay.
Or I'll sing and he'll act.
Also.
होके जुदा खुश हो अगर हंस के बिछड़ जाऊंगा, कह दे मुझे दिल से तेरे खुद ही उतर जाऊंगा, कर फैसला अभी के अभी, क्यों बेवजह इंतजार है, या फिर मुझे तुम रोक लो, गर मेरे लिए दिल में प्यार है, फिर आज दिल रो रहा, सब कह रहे बरसात है, फिर आज हम खामोश है, शायद कोई तो बात है.
Simple melody that creates that magic. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है ऐसी मेलोडी सुनने में, because that's what you need right now. शोर शराबे से दूर आपको बस एक ऐसी आवाज चाहिए जो लिरिक्स पर ध्यान दे, मेलोडी को और एनहांस करे, और ये वो गाना है. सीरियसली such a beautiful track. पर गिटार साथ में है अरमान, एंड डबू जी साथ में है. आई रियली थिंक वी हैव टू लिसन टू तुम यूं ही कभी. एंड जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि क्योंकि आप आरजेस को अपने वीडियोस में लेते हैं, मैंने नोटिस कर लिया है, तो कब है अगला वीडियो? डबू जी आप बताएं. जस्ट मेरे भी बहुत अदाएं.
Are you ready? Really? Tell me.
I can't hold a position for like मैं still रह ही नहीं सकती. So you'll have to.
एक आइडिया है अगर if you're ready to perform in that.
What is the idea?
वो बाद में
You be ready. एक दिन.
But I cannot hold like I can't hold any expression ऐसे. मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता. So अगर if you're making a dance video, I'm all in for it.
We'll make you dance.
Please हो जाए. What a beautiful track. Also, let me please add that इस गाने में of course खास बात ये भी है that it's been picturized so beautifully with one of our also favorite RJ Ada. लेकिन साथ ही the melody in itself again. Nabuji, I don't know how you do it. Just magic.
Go for it.
तुम यूं ही कभी मिलने हमें चले आओ, तुम यूं ही कभी मिलने हमें चले आओ, कि तेरे बिन कुछ भी नहीं मैं जाने जाऊं, तुम यूं ही कभी मिलने हमें चले आओ, काफिराना था दिल मेरा हमदम, मेरी वो गुस्ताखियों को माफ करना सनम, वो तेरे संग गुजरे थे जो फिर से वही दिन रात लाओ, तुम यूं ही कभी मिलने हमें चलना.
I don't know what you'll eat for breakfast, but there's something in this family that just has a lot of melody in it. क्या बात है सच्ची में डबूजी. I hope you know that मैं इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I genuinely mean it. It's just such a soulful track.
That's good. That's good. So that's what we're hoping for. That even if we have just 100 songs to our credit on MWM, they should all be masterpieces. That's the intention.
I think you are just heading to the right direction for sure. तो since आप दोनों हमारे साथ एक फ्रेम में जुड़े हैं, मैं एक छोटा सा गेम आप दोनों के साथ खेलना चाहूंगी. The game is called Who Does It Better. I'll ask you a few things, and if you think that you do it better, then you just point at yourself. If you think that dad does it better or son does it better, then you just point at each other. Okay?
Done.
Okay, let's try this out. So who does it better? Who cooks better? Okay. Who is more clean? Who's more of a cleanliness freak? Who gets more angry? Okay, who gets angry better?
No. So चलो इशारों में बात कर लेते हैं. When he gets angry once in a blue moon, same with me also. I think we both are very cool cats.
Cool cat. Nice. Who dances better? Ooh. Who has a better dressing sense? Handsome, your beautiful pet. According to you, who handsome loves who better?
The most.
Whose bargaining skills are better?
Both of us are very bad.
So who's more lazy?
NG in that department.
Who's more lazy? Who's more late? Who's often late? Okay.
I'm late according to his standards, but Amal is even later.
Oh yeah. Amal is like
Yeah, some other level.
he's some other level. Yeah.
One day later.
He was probably born also 1 year later. जो भी साल में पैदा हुआ था, वो actually 1 साल पहले आने वाला था. Who obeys Jyoti ji better?
क्या silence है ना?
I do. I think I'm a very
Mama's boy.
obedient son.
Okay. And who, according to you, flirts better?
Flirts better between father and son?
Yeah?
Dad. 100%.
I'm to total flirt, not It's like every day in the morning when I get up and I look at the mirror and suddenly Amal comes back from the screen. And if I'm checking myself out and I'm like, Dad, please stop it. Yaar, ho gaya aapka abhi. Now you're heading towards 60. Stop it now.
Too good. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much once again for joining me and for creating, most importantly, creating such soulful music. It is what is needed, and I'm glad कि आप ऐसे गाने create कर रहे हैं जो मैं अपने playlist में add करना चाहूंगी, because it's been, let me just be honest, it's been quite long since I've added new songs in my playlist. I listen to songs that again Dabu ji has created, like थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है, पर ये गाना भी add किया जाने वाला है. So thank you so much for that.
Lovely. And Amal is missing here because Amal is getting ready for his single. You know about it, which is now also on the way. After
Wonderful.
another 15 days, we are coming with it.
Looking forward to it, sir. Looking forward to it.